Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can back up your Jupiter crypto wallet. In order to back up your Jupiter crypto wallet, first of all, open the Jupiter app and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on your wallet's drop down at the top left corner. Now this will bring up the manager page for your wallet. Go ahead and select one of your wallets you would like to back up. Tap the three dots right next to the wallet and then in the expanded menu, click on Show Recovery Phrase. Remember that your recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. Do not let anyone see your secret phrase or private key, and also do not share your secret phrases or private key with anyone. To reveal your private key or secret phrase, click on Show Secret Phrase. Your recovery phrase will then be displayed on the next page. Click the copy button in order to copy your recovery phrase and paste it in a secure folder or a file, or you can also write down these phrases on a piece of paper. Once you are done backing it up, click on Done at the bottom. Now that you have your backup phrases, you will be able to recover your wallet if you lose access to your device or if you accidentally log out or delete your wallet. You can also go ahead and back up your private key. When you press the 3 button right next to your wallet, click on Show Private Key and this will reveal your private key. Tap on the copy button to copy your private key and then also make sure to paste this private key in a secure location. And after you have it, you will be able to get access back to your Jupiter crypto wallet even if you lose access to your device or if you want to import your wallet on a new device. So that is how you will be able to back up your Jupiter crypto wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.